Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Stromboli is a type of turnover filled with various Italian cheeses, typically mozzarella, and usually Italian cold cuts, typically Italian meats such as salami, capicola and bresaola, or vegetables. The dough used is either Italian bread dough or pizza dough.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Calzones aren't exactly healthy food, especially if they are stuffed with meat and large amounts of cheese. A calzone typically uses the same amount of pizza dough as a pizza crust and is meant to serve 4 people. Eating a whole calzone yourself can mean eating more than your recommended calories for the day.
Take our lead.
Calzones are basically folded pizzas, made from pizza dough and stuffed with the same ingredients as pizza, almost always tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese, usually ricotta, often pepperoni and maybe some other cheese and cured meats, and then folded over like an omelette. Stromboli are more like pizza rolls.
Let's help you make your mark.
By the cube rule, both Hot Pockets and Stromboli are calzones. I just have never seen a calzone that looks like a Hot Pocket. It's so much closer in flavor and shape to a Stromboli. Strombolis are rolled, calzones are folded over. 27 April 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.